We're still on candlestick patterns, and today we'll be talking about engulfing candlestick patterns. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment at the end of the video. Try and subscribe to the channel to get notification on relevant videos that will be coming up subsequently. So, going on today's lesson, engulfing candlestick patterns. We'll have the bullish engulfing pattern. But mind you, these are engulfing patterns have two types, the bullish and the bearish. Understanding the bullish perfectly, just the inverse of the bullish gives you the what? Bearish. Things to note: two candlesticks combination pattern. When we're talking about engulfing candlestick pattern, we're actually talking about two candlesticks. The previous video we had, we are talking about candlestick patterns. The patterns we explained there were each candle pattern and what they represent. But in these engulfing candlestick patterns, we'll be talking about combination of two candlesticks. So the bullish engulfing pattern is where we have two candlestick combination, first of all. Now, secondly, a small red or black candle is followed by a big green or white. You know, some chart pattern might have an intersection of black or white or red and green. So you have to know that it's either red or black for the bearish candle, green or white for the bullish candle. Now, bullish engulfing candle stick pattern is where we have first of all the red candle, which is the bearish candle, a small one, that is followed by what? A green big one. The body of the second candle, which is the green candle, overlaps the body of the previous red candle. Now, looking at our diagram here, you can see the red candle is actually small. You can see the open and close, opened on the top and closes below. And we can see the next candle, which is the green candle, engulfed. What does it mean? It passes both the up and the down part of the what candle. It is actually bigger. The length of the bullish candle engulfs the previous what red candle. The bullish candle closes above the previous candles open, and the bullish candle opens or lower than the previous candle close. As you can see on the diagram, it is very self-explanatory. When we find something like this on the chart, then we know that we're encountering what? A bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. And actually, these candlestick pattern can actually be found, you know, at the down trade, at the run of a down trend in the chart, and is signaling what? A reversal to the upside. Now, here is a chart view. Here is a chart view. You know, really, there was a down trade. There was actually a down trade before we started encountering what? The engulfing, bullish engulfing. After a support trend, you can see how the green candle engulfed the red candle in our chart here. This is what it looks like in the chart. This is a typical chart view or chart representation of what? Bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. This is another chart representation. As you can see, for a bullish engulfing pattern to form, the stock must open at a lower price on day 2. You know, now we are taking for instance that this chart time frame is what? Daily time frame. So the day 1 there is what? The red candle, while the day 2 is the green candle that engulfed the red candle. So for a bullish engulfing pattern to form, the stock must open at a lower price on day 2 than it closed on the day at the day 1. Now look at that engulfing. You can see that it opened lower than it closed on the day what? Day 1. If price didn't gap down, the body of the green candlestick would not have a chance to engulf the body of the previous day's red candle. As you can see, the engulfing candle, which is the green one that engulfed the red one, the open was actually lower than the close of the what previous red candle, as you can see in the diagram. So what is it telling us? This is a perfect play of bullish engulfing, where the close of the red candle, the opening of the green candle tanked lower, and at the end of the day it closes higher. So this is what a fully and a perfect engulfing, bullish engulfing pattern. This is actually a perfect play of it. We can see the market volume oversold at the below of the chart here. These are other things to consider. There's so many other factors. You don't trade these candlesticks in isolation. You already know that. Always know that you don't trade in isolation. There's other market structures that will determine whether you will trade a particular candlestick. So wrapping up with this engulfing pattern, bullish engulfing pattern versus bearish engulfing pattern, wouldn't you just start having a different explanation entirely for bearish? Understanding the bullish gives you a perfect understanding of the bearish. Just an overturn. These two patterns are opposite to one another. A bearish engulfing pattern occurs after a price moves higher and indicates lower prices to come. Here, the first candle in the two candle pattern is an up candle. The second candle is a larger down candle with a real body that fully engulfs the smaller up candle. To explain this thing better, like we had here, we can see that the first candle at the bullish engulfing is what? Red. And the second one is green. Now, bearish engulfing will have the first one green while the second one red. Just it. The bullish candle, little bullish candle, small green candle engulfed by a big red candle. That's what? The bearish engulfing. Just like we had a small red candle being engulfed by what? A big green candle, giving us what? The bullish engulfing candle. Now let's just have a review of the chart pattern. As you can see, it shows there is an uptrend coming. Once you find a perfect play of what? These are bullish engulfing. So the same way for the word bearish engulfing, once you see it in a chart, there will be an upcoming what? Downtrade preceding it. So this is typically and basically what we need to know about the word, the bullish engulfing and the bearish engulfing candlestick patterns. So hopefully in our next video we'll be talking about morning star and evening star. Morning star and evening star. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Turn on notification for subsequent and relevant videos that will be coming your way.